Right, final project, Fullsac X-pipe 2¼ inch core installs on my 2012 CVO Ultra Classic. Here are now complete. It is very nice. Went ahead and put on all the shrouds, put everything back together, tightened all the bolts, got the cords back on. It is wonderful. I've already, this is what you get with the product. You get the master tuner kit and you get the cables to connect. I went ahead and followed the instructions, uploaded my pre-emailed map that comes from Fullsac to match your bike, and you'll see here's the cords, 2¼ inch cords. It is just spectacular. I've already been out riding, and it has large increase of horsepower. Amazing. Let's get this thing started so you can hear it. Turn down my music. Prep it.
And if you did win the lottery, would you be like the people you see on?
Hopefully you will enjoy the sound. That's it. I made enough noise this morning, so off to work to pay for the bike.